YouTube. It's getting ready for a big snow that's coming. It's very cold right now. It's 4 degrees. It's extremely cold. So I'm just gonna see if do a cold start here on the Pro 8 and the 424 and see if they run and kind of get them ready for the storm that's coming tomorrow. So here we go. I know the 424, I ran it, I think earlier this week. I think it was earlier this week, but it's already gassed up. The Pro 8 still needs some gas, and I haven't run that in maybe a month or so. So let's try the 424 first. Well, let's slip it. Well, the belt keeps slipping on it, so I gotta tighten it up. But I guess let's try the Pro 8 real quick. I think the gas tank's open. keeps popping. Need to, it's freezing out, so I'm gonna go warm up my hands and I'll be right back. Maybe get some ether. All right, let's try some starting fluid. Just did a little bit of ether. It's purring like a kitten. 4 degrees out. Yeah, we're supposed to get 18 to 24 inches. Don't know. We'll have to measure when it actually finally happens, but it's supposed to come Sunday night, Sunday afternoon. It's supposed to be the heaviest into Monday morning. So. Gonna let this run a little bit. I'm also going to see if I can get my C10A running as well. I think it's going to be, I could probably work on the 424 maybe tomorrow. Need to tighten up the belt, try to run it. But the belt always slips, but it's probably, oil is a little too stiff right now. Really kick it over, so I might have to put maybe I'll put a heater band on it, magnetic heater. All right, so I got this is running. I got the chains on it, so we're good to go. Put some air in all the tires, except that I gotta do the back ones. I tightened the belt on this, but I haven't tried turning it over yet. So I'm gonna probably use a little bit of ether, just to because I don't want to drain out the battery. I want to give it a little bit of a chance.